Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a late video for today, December the 5th, 2018. And there was a couple of hours ago an update. If you're on the Windows 10 version 1809 or the October 2018 update, there was an update that was pushed today, actually several updates. So this is for 1809 only, apparently. And it contains a lot of bug fixes. What you will see is that there's a cumulative update for Windows 10 version 1809, KB4469.342. There's a security update for Adobe Flash Player. So this one, I don't know if it's unique to version 1809. It says version 1809 here. I just wonder if it was only for 1809. So there's also a preview of cumulative update, kind of interesting. Preview of cumulative update, I don't know what that means, for .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.7.2. So that's also shown up here in the updates. So basically it's kind of interesting to see this appear on the computer. So 3 updates: Flash Player, a cumulative update, and the .NET Framework update. The cumulative update fixes tons of problems in Windows 10. So if you had some issues, it fixes a lot of stuff. Let me know if it fixed any of the stuff that are the problems you have. It doesn't fix the media player problem. So if you're plagued with that, this is not fixing that. That fix is mid-December, so I would guess next week. So they released it earlier than anticipated. I was not expecting to have this update until probably Patch Tuesday of next week, which will have, of course, the Patch Tuesday security update. So maybe they wanted to focus more on security stuff next week. So cumulative update is there. It brings your version of Windows 10. So if you do WinVer to check your Windows version, it's pushing your Windows version to 17.763.168. That's where you will be if you're on the October 2018 update. So check it out. It's available now, and even the Flash Player update, the security update here, is important. It means that probably it's already exploited by bad guys. So check it out. It's available right now, and let me know how it goes on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.